And here we are in Beaconsfield at Cooking for Kids with Meg. Meg, tell us what's going on.
Well, at the moment we're selling Anzac biscuits kits. So everything's in little bags supplied ready for you, from your oats to your sugar, coconut, flour, butter and golden syrup. Okay, so you can make the biscuits at home depending on how big are the hands that are rolling them, but you can get between 12 to 15 biscuits per kit. For every kit that we sell, we're actually donating $2 to the Berwick RSL, so to support the veterans who look after our retired veterans, not just the elderly ones, but also young vets. And they help with things like accommodation, making sure they're not socially isolated, and yeah, just looking after them like they've looked after us.
All right, that's magnificent. Thank you very much for that, Meg. And anyone who wants to come down here, how can they contact you?
You can come down tomorrow, so Friday the 24th. You can pop down at any time between 10 and 6 and we'll have kits available. If you don't want to miss out, you can pre-order them by texting 0455 552 000.
That's fantastic. Thank you very much. And thank you for your support, because I know the Berwick RSL and the veterans locally will thank you for every donation that comes forward, and we appreciate everything you've done.
You're welcome.